Okay, in this lecture, we will start to learning the stubbling statement. As you know, mock objects will have the same properties and method as the target object or original object. But those properties and the method will do nothing before we stub it. Mockito provided several statements for us. Use the stubbling statement for mock objects. Totally speak, the stubbling statement is told mock objects do what at the right time. Okay, that is my understand. Um, and Mockito provided several statement style, like you can see the when um, return and do return when, do nothing when and then through, do through and when is an answer and do answer and when. And this is a particular um, method mock is when then call real method and do call real method when. Of course, it support multiple return values styles and cascading styles too. And in future lecture, I will uh, explain them and demonstrate how to use them. All right. As you can see, almost every stubbling statement will exist in the keyword when. What means the when? When present the trigger will be triggered the um, that means the core object method, right? Okay. In this lecture, I will quickly demonstrate when then return and do return when statement for our study. All right. Create a new test class named um, Mockito stubbling statement test. Right. Remove the public modifier and the display name Mockito statement. All right. And I will locate all of the statements code, stubbling statement code as a single test class. So I need to group them into the nested class that provided by JUnit file, Jupyter API, right? So class defines the nested class as when um, then return, okay, and do return. What? Sorry, this is not a method, it's a class. And as annotated, nested, right? It seems the class name is too long, but I will add the display name. Display name and when return, okay. And the display name not supports the multiple, right? Okay, and the or do return when. All right, that's fine. We will mock a simple mock a list, okay, and don't forget extends with Mockito extension class, and we'll define the list string list annotated by mock annotation, okay, and import the list tab. All right. All right. Format the source code. And now we can write the simple test method. What test when then return statement annotated by test annotation. Yeah, we already create the mock objects by mock annotation. Now we can use the when then return statement to stubbling this mock object. When list get index from 0, right, and then return Mockito. Okay, import the method by static way. All right, it's cool. Now we can do the simple assertion by Hemcrest API. Assert that list get from 0 and is equal to what? Mockito, right? The value is Mockito. This is this is the expected, right? Import by course. I will import by wordcast. Import. Before we execution this statement, we can add more assertion to verify. As you can see, we note a stubbling get from index 1, right? So if we wanted to get the element from index 1, that will be null value, right? Null value. Okay. Now execution this test class. All right, our execution is successfully. Now we can use the doReturn one statement to reflect this test method, right? Let me doReturn one statement. Okay, test doReturn. Comments doReturn. You can see the Mockito. Okay. We'll return Mockito when list. It's just pass the instant and get from 0 index. All right. Execution this test method, the result is similar with above. Okay, the execution results matched our expected analysis. Now, this is just a simple demonstrate the when then return statement and do return when statement. It's pretty simple, right? Okay, next lecture I will keep on demonstrate and tutorial remaining statement for what return type method will be different, and I will give a real exercise and demonstrate for explain the usage. Okay, see you next lecture.